Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will guide you on how to add a saved item to a collection in Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily organize and manage your saved content. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. From the left side, click on Saved. Step 3. Scroll down to find all your saved items. Step 4. On the item you want to add, click on Add to Collection. Step 5. Finally, select the collection name where you want to add the item. Adding saved items to collections allows you to categorize and access them easily whenever you need them. It's a great way to stay organized and revisit your favorite content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to learn how to add saved items to collections on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.